Now to that breaking news in Grand Prairie. Chopper 11 over the scene of this massive fire. It's burning out of control at the Poly America manufacturing plant there in Grand Prairie. If you're not familiar with the location, it's off of 161 George Bush and Marshall there in Grand Prairie, very near the Lockheed plant. Nicole Jacobs joins us now live from the scene. Nicole, what can you tell us about this?
Well, Karen, I can tell you coming into this location this morning, you could see for miles thick black plumes of smoke billowing into the air. And now that we are a little bit closer, you can see flames still working here at the Poly America manufacturing plant in Grand Prairie. We'll get you to some video to give you a different perspective of the blaze. Right now, we are on Dickey's Road, just west of the George Bush Tollway. We are about 1.5 miles from West Marshall Drive, where Poly America is located. This facility is one of many Poly America locations across the country. It produces polyethylene, and it is the largest company of its kind in the world. Photographer Tim Anders is on a different side of this facility because, as you can imagine, there are several vantage points here. He spoke with a woman who heard a strange noise and then walked outside to this. Okay, we don't have that soundbite for you, but she said she heard the noise and then went outside to inspect, and she saw the huge flames. You're taking another live look here at this facility. You can see the emergency vehicles also. At times we've been able to see them pouring water on the facility as well. I can tell you we have reached out to officials to find out if there are any injuries with regards to this fire or the cause of the fire. But with a fire this size, you can imagine they have their hands full right now. So as soon as we get more information, Karen, we will certainly bring it to you, back into you.
All right, Nicole, thank you very much. We'll be checking in a bit. Again, this is a live look from our chopper over this Poly America manufacturing plant in Grand Prairie. Again, this fire burning out of control. And you see that thick black smoke. This fire can really be seen for miles, and that black smoke is indicative of a petroleum-based fire. And as we mentioned, this plant does manufacture polyethylene bags and film, so that makes sense about it being petroleum-based, and it will make it very difficult to put out. And we are waiting to get in touch with the fire department to find out exactly, as Nicole mentioned, what started this fire and how they plan to tackle it and how to keep it from spreading.